these are gonna be the elevators here at the Sheraton Suites here in Tampa, Florida. Well, actually, now this is the 4 Points by Sheraton. It used to be the Sheraton Suites. And we got Thyssenkrupp elevators. Oh, these are out of service. Only the other ones work. So yeah. Wonder why they're both out like that. But since these ones work, we're gonna ride these, and it looks like we got some high hydraulics. Alright. Well, here we are. Got these. Going up. Alright. Up to 8. 8-story hydro. Takes forever to level. Looks like these used to be General. Anyway, let's go down to G. Let's get a cab view. Pretty nice elevators. Appear to be fairly recently modded. They're your fixtures. Mad BS classic fixtures. Here we are on the ground floor of the beautiful atrium. Doesn't take too long to level when you're going down. Going up. Just taking a ride on the elevators. I just do this as a hobby. Have a nice day, ma'am. Can go to the back of the cab. But yeah, these are very nice. Like I said, these were probably formerly General. And there you can see the lovely amount of time it takes for it to level. While we're up here, let's get a look around. So yeah, as you can see, we're on the top floor. There's a hallway for the hotel. Ooh, nice. You got like a public balcony area here. And over there, you can see, I forgot the interstate that is, but there's DoubleTree, and there's some of WestShore, Tampa area. You got vending machines here. So yeah. Alright. And there's the rest of the outside of the hotel. Let's take them back down now. But yeah, 8-story hydraulic. That is not, this isn't the tallest hydro I've been on. The tallest I've been on was 9 floors, but still pretty high. One of them just came. Which one? All right. Bad elevator. There's your door equipment. Down to G. And you see you got like a little man-made waterway here, which is pretty nice. There's the other elevator. And we'll watch it go up. And there it goes, and let's watch it go up. Don't want to get them on camera. Look at those huge hydraulic rams. Look at that. And they are going almost to the top. And there's the in-ground pit with the oil beside it. And that's gonna be it.